Hey guys, Robert here with Coastal GX, out for another East Cut adventure. We're gonna get up, get out, do something, but I'm not traveling alone. I'm here with my wifey, Cassie. By the way, wifey Cassie, it's actually Dr. Cassandra Cavazo Salazar, OD. She works with me at Thermodye Associates, and I have some very special guests coming with me. I have Dr. Wade Graham and his lovely wife, Letty, following behind, and behind him I have Bart. Okay, Bart is our practice administrator there at Thurman. Awesome guy. He's traveling in his Ranger. Dr. Graham decided to bring his Ineos Grenadier, so we're excited to see how that vehicle performs. These people have never been out here. First time. Never been out here, never gone off-roading. They have the vehicles, they just never been out here. But they were adventurous enough, and they said, you know what, we'll follow you, we'll head on over there and see how it goes. Today we're going to be doing some drone fishing. I'm going to try to do that. I'm also going to, off the surf, I'm also going to try to do a little cooking out here, maybe do some quesadillas, maybe some steaks, all depends on how we do. But anyway, get ready for a very fun-filled adventure video. Honey, you ready? You stoked?
Yeah.
It's freaking hot. It's 90 degrees and it's barely 9 in the morning. You just want to go back and to that campsite and start setting up camp?
Alright, yeah, you're coming in really good now, so I'm sure I'm getting close.
I'm Robert.
I'm Robert.
Tocayo. Tocayo, bro.
Hi.
This is my wife,
Cassie.
Cassie.
Hi guys.
Doing it the right way.
Hello.
Hi.
Have a good Saturday morning.
Oh, bro.
That's about around it, man. I see you guys running at Alexa. I'm like, man, that's like...
Okay, guys, we just got here to our campsite. Got Dr. Graham, my wifey, my buddy Bart, and I want to show you something about debris out here. But look at how, you didn't mean to do this, but check this out. Do you see that? This is what I'm talking about. There's so much debris down here. That can happen. We're gonna see, we're gonna take a look to see just how bad, if it damaged it. Did you even notice that?
No, bro, not even.
Take a look at it.
This thing is just stuff. I think it's good.
Oh, thank goodness, man.
I didn't even see that, bro. I was like, what are you looking at?
Guys, so let me tell you, it is very difficult to come out here when everything is full in your car. So I have these two Jerrycan holders, and I said, you know what, wouldn't it be nice to be able to use this? I don't need extra fuel and I don't need extra water out here, but it would be nice to make good use of this space. So I have fabricated this live well. It's a concept right now, still working on it, and I brought this Jerrycan that acts as a tackle box as well. So this is where I have my stuff, and I'm going to be using this. Really neat. And so instead of being a Jerrycan, it's I can keep my tackle here. So it's my bait and tackle box. I'm going to be casting in the first gut. I'm going to try my luck there first. So I got the hook up here. I got the hook up here with my buddy at Saltwater Samurai Weight and Tackle. They hooked it up, so I'm ready to go. Friends, Saltwater Samurai rigs are proudly crafted with premium materials right here in Texas. It's tough to find weight and tackle of this quality at such a reasonable price. Place your order today and use the promo code COASTALGX to get 15% off.
Okay.
Few shad. They're very fragile. You can see, so yeah, I need to get some water. Hit them with the good old bubbler. See that little bubbling action right there? Oh, they're so fragile. They can die so easily. So I'm gonna hit them with as much oxygen possible to try to get them to live as long as possible. I have another one here that I kind of made into like a little turbo one. That machine that I have, the aerator, is creating some good bubble action there. But what if I could get it even more? What if I could give it some extra power? So this is a 6-volt battery for a deer feeder. Look at that! Now that's giving it the juice. With bait ready, I launched the affordable Ruko Drone, attaching my fishing line to a dropper rig. My aim was to drop it into the second gut. The calm winds made it easy for the drone to reach the spot smoothly.
It smells good, actually.
So what we're planning on doing is some quesadillas, all right, because it's easy, you know. So I got my buddy Bart, he's helping me out here. Well, it's not going to be able to get covered, but we're not cooking with gas this time around. We got some charcoals over here, and I'm just glad I have some help over here. There's way too much stuff going on. Boom. With Bart busy cooking lunch, I took on the challenge of launching the drone solo. It's usually a two-person job, but I was curious to see if I could pull it off alone. It took some extra focus and careful maneuvering, but in the end, I managed a smooth and successful flight all on my own. You did the quesadillas?
So right there, bacon,
Very nice.
cheese quesadilla.
Good job, brother. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Good job, man. Thank you. Okay, guys. I don't know if you guys are into Bud Light or not, but I got the great alternative right here. Yeah, Wade's IPA. That is Wade right there.
Because if you're not first,
you're last. Hilarious. This is a Saltwater Samurai rig. 5-aught hook. Let's see if it'll fly it all the way out there. Come on, baby. Move back, honey. You don't know with these things. Watch out with the front back there. Safety first. Wait, did that just happen? Let's hit the rewind button and check that out in slow-mo. We were so zoned in on getting the drone airborne that we totally missed one tiny detail.
Honey,
What? What?
your bait's over here.
No! The bait came off! Cassie was on the ball, but apparently a local-ish bird had its own flight plan, and spoiler alert, it wasn't on ours. We sent that drone up more than 10 times that day without a single hiccup. The heaviest bait we flew out was a 7-inch live whiting, and the wind never got above 12 miles per hour. Pretty impressive for a drone that's just $360 as of this video. Now, This little guy isn't going to replace a top-tier fishing drone, but if you want to drop your bait in the second gut without getting soaked, it'll get the job done like a champ. Looks like a speckled trout. Oh, looks, oh, that's a red. We got a red. In the first gut.
Nice, dude. Triple dot, bro.
Nice, it's a pretty one.
Triple dot,
Looks
bro.
like a slot. Could be a slot.
No,
Let me go get
good.
the little,
No, I think you're good, bro.
yeah.
A triple dot, too, dude.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one.
Right in the slot, bro. I think you're right in the slot, dude. There you go.
Okay. Got him right on the edge too, man.
No, you got one.
I had some cut bait rigged up on one of Saltwater Samurai's Carolina rigs with a 5/0 hook. Not too shabby considering I rolled in with just a little bag of fish bites as backup bait. Oh yeah. Like 23.5. Yeah. Well within the slot. I invited my friend Dr. Graham to learn how to cast a net for bait fish. Even though he had never tried it before, he mastered it on his very first attempt after just one lesson.
That felt a little erotic.
Yes, right here. Want some rosemary? That's good for now. That's good, baby.
That was within the grill pans I had.
So this is the rawest type of dinner, right by the ocean, by the East Cut, and I have my guests here, very special people. Yeah, some of us, no F's given, you know, we're good. We're enjoying a little steak and suspect. But we're having a lot of fun, and yeah, the sun is kind of going down. We hope to catch that sunset. I really wanted them to enjoy that as well. So yeah, we're gonna continue with our steaks over here. Sun is setting back there, and I have Dr. Graham and Let. Graham over here. The first time out here, what do you think?
It was fantastic. And at first, really, we need to thank you for talking us into this. It was something we've never done before. It was a blast. I mean, we've been here for 10 hours and it seems like it flew by. I mean, it was fantastic catching fish and doing a little off-roading and barbecuing. It was fantastic. It's a great experience.
Letty?
Oh, I enjoyed it. I actually like the location. I didn't know that this was even out here, and I like the privacy, you know, so I really like it.
The vehicle, how did it perform, your NES Grenadier?
Great. Yeah, that's the first time it's been out of a mall parking lot. That has been the most treacherous territory we've ever been in before, and it did great. Didn't have any trouble. It's all-time four-wheel drive, and I left it in four-wheel high. Never went to four-wheel low. It has locking differentials. Of course, none of that was needed. A little slipping in some soft sand, but it was no problem at all. You know, maybe we're the ones that have been with our blinders on, but for us, this was something that was kind of a hidden jewel of living in the area that we just have missed for 16 years since we've been here.
Wow. Yeah. Thank you for bringing
Thanks.
us.
Yeah. Get up, get out, and do something.
Great time, dude. Super fun. First time out here on the Padre Island side. I've been on the Mustang Island side, so great time. Ranger did good, super excited. Ran well in the 4-wheel high, and I just had a good time, dude. Great time. Thanks for you and Cassie for letting us come out and inviting us. And I know a bunch of the other docks want to come too, so we're gonna have a, hopefully when it cools down, maybe have an overnighter out here. That'd be a ball.
What did you think?
It was actually a really good day. Yeah, it's August, it's hot, but we had good shade and with the batwing, and the wind was nice. It was fresh, so it was a good day.
Yeah, and it was pretty cool having our co-workers with us.
Oh my God, it was awesome to have the Grahams and Bart with us. It was a really great day. Everybody had a good time. We had fun. We ate some good food. Caught a fish. I forgot what you caught, but
A red drum.
yeah, there you go. With 3 dots. That's all. I know that's pretty awesome. So.
Did you like that drone idea? $360. That's pretty cheap, and a little drop down, you know, a little dropper rig. It cost, I don't know, like $10. I don't know, something like that. Launched it a lot of times, and it never went down into the water. Fly at your own risk if you're going to try that, obviously, but we proved that it can be done. Now, you know, I mean, all the links to the products will be in the description. I want to say huge thanks to Dr. Graham and Bart and Letty, and of course my wife, Dr. Cassandra Cavazos Salazar over here at Thermodye Associates. You guys need anything, you want to improve your vision, we got you covered from A to Z. We'll take care of you there, okay? Take care.